This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Stinger STS222 VUD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, skylight, refrigerator, air conditioning, slide-out, TV, microwave, spare tire kit, smoke detector, TV antenna, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Stinger STS222 VUD is 4,420 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Stinger STS222 VUD. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.